Feeling bored? What to do? I have an idea. Come on, let's play the cup game. Many of you know the cup game, and you know it's a very popular game around the world. And for all those who still don't know how to play the cup game, here's a very easy trick which I learned from someone, and I'm going to share it with you all. So, here we go. Remember one phrase that will help you play this game super easy, and you'll love it. So, it says, clap, clap, table, table, clap, up, down. Clap, sweep, top, table, bottom, hand, down. Watch it once again. Clap, clap, table, table, clap, up, down. Clap, sweep, top, table, bottom, hand, down. And you know, when we play it fast, when we play it in a speed, it gives us a rhythm. And then we sing the cup song with this game. It's super fun, and it requires a lot of concentration. So let's try it with some speed. So, what are you waiting for? Remember that phrase and practice it. And then you can give this challenge to your family, to your friends, and make it viral. Bye, see you again.